Hello and welcome to White Glove Reviews. In this video, we're taking a look at the Cross Morph ballpoint pen. Now, this pen it's not a super expensive pen. It's probably about 30 bucks. I'll include a link in the description if you are interested, or you can find it like on Amazon. And let's see. Okay, this is kind of interesting. So it comes in an interesting looking little container. It's like a spaceship or something. Alright. It's interesting looking. So, it's got a rather squishy bottom part of the barrel where you hold the pen. It feels like there's something in there. So, you twist it. Can y'all hear that? That's weird. So this is the Cross Morph. I wonder if you're supposed to like adjust as you write. Alright, it feels like there's something in there. Like there's a triangular shaped thing in there. And I'm not finding it very comfortable. Because like I can feel it. I mean, like, I guess if your fingers naturally land on the sides of it, it's not bad. But if you land like right on it, like on the edges, it makes it profoundly uncomfortable. Let's see. What do we twist to take the ink out, the refill out? And you just sort of pull, which, I don't know, it always seems counterintuitive to me that you just pull it apart. So you pull it apart, and then this unscrews, and you get this refill. And this, I don't know off the top of my head what kind of refill this is. It should say in the Amazon link what refill this uses, but I think, I don't know. I'm not super crazy about this one. It just, the part down here with the squishy stuff, and there's like, okay, I don't know if you can see it on camera or not. Let me put this back together first. I don't know if you can see it on camera, but there's actually like, there's something in here. Like in there, right there. And I don't know, I don't like it. Okay. I was playing with this pen a little bit more, and this expands and contracts the grip. Let me show you. You see how it gets like larger? That is super weird. I mean, I guess that's strange. I mean, I guess it gives you an option for how to customize your grip, but boy, is it a weird one. I don't know. I'm still not a big fan of this, but that's at least kind of interesting. I don't know. Anyway, so you have this weird grip thing you can do where the grip gets like larger. Anyway, so there's that. I'm not a big fan of this one. I don't know. What do y'all think? Is it a pen that's better than I'm thinking it is, or not? Let me know what you think in the comments. And also, if you have any questions or suggestions, or if there's anything cool you think I should take a look at, you can let me know down there as well. And if you've enjoyed this video, please like and subscribe, and I hope you'll have an excellent day.